Bye, guys. Have fidget spinners, because fidget spinners, magnetic fidget spinners that spin at 0.0.0.0.0.1 miles per hour. If you're wanting to see the rules, so basically like the rules, I don't know, the higher the score you get, the better you did. So you see 15, that means you did poo-poo. And if you don't even hit the board, stop trying. Don't even play this. And if you get 100, best score, you're a gamer. Even Minecraft Dude Part 1 would be impressed by you. Anyway, let's start on. Ninja style! I made it. I got 1 trillion. Yeah, I got 1 trillion. I got 1 billion. Dude, I'm doing even better. I did it. I actually did it. I got the best score ever possible. There is no score better than what I just did. Oh my gosh. Among Us approved. So cool. So cool. Oh my twinkle toe. Dude, I just did that. Anyways, if you want a part 2, a longer version of me actually not doing 3 little frogs against the board, then like, subscribe. Well, I sound like I'm a 4-year-old kid trying to copy you. Oh, like, subscribe, turn notifications on. Anyway, see y'all.